How to follow author in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow the authors. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now you can select the book that you want to follow. So here I'm selecting on one random book. So these are the details about the book. Now you should slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to know about the author. So as you can see, in my case, this is the author. Now we can view the profile and even follow them. So simply tap on follow. Now as you can see, I've started following them. So you can look out their profile and even look out which book they have published. So as you can see, these are the books and these are the categories. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.